in Tennessee, or the criminal justice system in Tennessee, and we're fortunate to have with us Justice A.A. Birch of the Tennessee Supreme Court. And of course, Justice Birch, before we had our first commercial break, we were talking about some aspects of the criminal justice system in the state of Tennessee. Let's be a little more specific and have you to give us some of the initiatives that the Tennessee Supreme Court is making in order to improve the delivery of justice to the people of Tennessee. What are some of the things that we're doing?
Sure, I'll be happy to discuss a few of them with you. As you know, when I was Chief Justice, we recommended that the legislature fund the federal, or fund our part of the Federal Anti-Terrorism and Safe Streets Act, which provides money for more policemen on the street, provides money for paying lawyers to represent persons charged with capital offenses, to pay them at a rate commensurate with a better quality of job, quality of
defense.
Defense, that's right. Because that's where we usually run into a problem, is that often lawyers may not be well prepared, or for some reason or another are not really specifically trained in the defense of capital cases. We think that if we improve the representation, the quality of the representation at that level, then we won't have all these cases coming back.
Appeals, very,
Yes, that's one thing. And we have a, I told you about Scales, Supreme Court assisting legal education in students.
Talk about that.
Yes, we've been, I think, to 15 or 16 different areas in the state, holding court. And on each occasion, we have approximately 600 or 700 total students who see an actual Supreme Court case from start to finish. They're briefed before the case. Their teachers tell them all about the case. They have educational lessons about the case, and after the case they get to talk to the lawyers and ask questions, and it really has proven to be a very, very popular program, and one that we have a lot of counties who want it very badly. We've been all over the state. Bristol, we've been to Memphis, we've been to Brownsville, we've been to Murfreesboro, we've been to Greenville, we've been to Oak Ridge, Jackson. We've been a lot of places, and I think we're going to Savannah and Memphis next, I believe.
Now, these are all docket cases in a real sense that were presented in another forum at another place. Is that what?
Actual cases, we have the permission of the lawyer to come to a place not in the Supreme Court building.
Okay.
And we hold them at a school or university or some setting like that. We have a portable bench which we take with us, and we have our robes on, and it's, for all intents and purposes, exactly like it would be were it in the Supreme Court building.
And of course, the verdict and all of those things associated with it, and all are judicial kinds of Supreme Court kinds of things. Is that?
Exactly. Of course, there's no verdict. There's an opinion that comes a month or two later. But yes, it's a real case, and it's carried out just as it would have been were it in the Supreme Court building. Now, did you know we have 3 Supreme Court buildings in this state?
I'm familiar only with one Supreme Court building, and that's the Supreme Court building on 7th. I think it's on 7th.
7th and Charlotte.
7th and Charlotte.
We have 3, and the Constitution